Have you ever tried speaking English and after 10 seconds your mind becomes blank? You start confidently, "Hello everyone. My name is Tarun." And then nothing. No ideas, no words, no confidence. If this happens to you, you're not bad at English. You simply don't have a speaking system. Today, I'll teach you a very simple method that can help you speak on almost any topic. It's called the three-sentence method. The big mistake. Most learners try to speak in long, complicated sentences because they want to sound fluent. But that creates pressure, and pressure creates silence. Instead, use a simple structure. 3 short sentences. That's it. Anyone can do this. The three-sentence method. Whenever you get a topic, follow this pattern. Sentence 1. What is it? Sentence 2. Why is it important? Sentence 3. Your personal opinion or experience. That's all. Let's see an example. Topic: tea. Sentence 1. Tea is one of the most popular drinks in India. Sentence 2. Many people drink it in the morning. Sentence 3. I enjoy tea because it helps me feel fresh. Congratulations! You just spoke about tea. Example 2. Topic: mobile phone. Sentence 1. A mobile phone is an important part of modern life. Sentence 2. We use it for communication and learning. Sentence 3. I use my phone every day to watch educational videos. Simple, natural, useful. Example 3. Topic: my city. Sentence 1. My city is a beautiful place to live. Sentence 2. It has many markets, schools, and parks. Sentence 3. I enjoy living here because my family and friends are here. Again, 3 sentences, 1 topic, no pressure. Live practice. Let's practice together. Topic: books. Follow my structure. Sentence 1. What are books? Sentence 2. Why are they important? Sentence 3. What do you think about them? Pause the video now. Speak your 3 sentences. Don't write, don't translate, just speak. How this creates fluency. Here's the secret. Most fluent speakers don't think in paragraphs. They think in small ideas.
Then they connect those ideas. The three-sentence method trains your brain to organize thoughts quickly. And when your thinking becomes organized, your speaking becomes smoother. 7-day challenge. For the next 7 days, choose one topic daily. Examples: Day 1, food. Day 2, family. Day 3, friends. Day 4, school. Day 5, mobile phone. Day 6, health. Day 7, dreams. For each topic, speak only 3 sentences. Record yourself. Listen again. Improve. Remember, you don't need perfect English to start speaking. You need a simple structure. Whenever your mind becomes blank, remember, what is it? Why is it important? What do I think about it? 3 sentences, 1 topic, endless speaking practice. Write in the comments, I completed today's 3-sentence challenge. And in the next video, I'll show you how to speak English even when you forget vocabulary. See you there.